Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope you had a nice evening. Let's get the CFTC out of the way. This broadcast is strictly for demonstration and educational purposes only, solamente. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. We're not offering any type of trading advice here today. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please ask somebody like a licensed financial advisor. All right. Happy Thursday, everybody. It is Thursday, November 13th. If you're joining us today, hallelujah. Thank the good Lord Almighty. And it is a special day. The U.S. government is open for business. After a 42-day shutdown, we are back. We need our economic news reports for some catalyst events. We always start off each broadcast by looking at the Forex Factory. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Suzanne. Suzanne. So let's take a look. Let's take a look-see at today's calendar. We got crude oil inventory pushed back to 12 noon. Wow, that's the new one. FOMC member Cash Carry is speaking at 10:30. Mortgage delinquencies are tentative. And earlier this morning, FOMC member Daly was speaking. So nothing very notable. I see gold flying out of the corner of my eye. This is what I'm referring to. Gold is at 4,200. 4,200. Good morning, Rao. I don't see a lot of trades being taken for one reason or other. Maybe I'm on the micros. That's what I need. Be very careful. I make this mistake all the time. My bot will be running on the micros, and I'll have my chart on the minis. And I'll be like, hey, what's wrong here? I don't see any trades. So you've got to match the instrument, the account in your chart trader that the bot is running in order to see your stop and your profit target. Those all have to be in place. Good morning, Ray. Rao, great job, man. Rao's up 750 on gold already. This bot here is trading one micro. We got over about 1,000 contracts a minute on gold, which is really great. Great volume. 4,200. Man, has that gone up? Just last week it was under 4,000. Let's take a look and see what the market looked like prior to us opening the room. Let's go back to last night. Government reopened. We all think the market would take off. It had the opposite effect. Looks like we double topped up here and then took a nosedive. We double topped at about 245 this morning from where our high was at 8:15 last night. And then they drove the price straight down on the NASDAQ. No validation. Oh, Ray says. And let's see what the E-mini did. I'm going to pivot to the MNQ. All my On my trade copier, I'm copying micros. I'm going to be trading the micros using a trade copier sold separately. On my accounts. Let's see what we got here on our leaderboard. We let the bots trade through the overnight session. And we see which ones have found the ebb and flow of the market that are performing well in today's current session. I refer to those as the what have you done for me latelys. If you did well last month, well, we were grateful back then. But we need to make some money today, right? Today's the key word. The ES has done just what the NASDAQ has done, just on a little bit of a smaller scale. It kind of double topped and then dropped like a rock. Our leaderboard for today. These are the ones that are winning. The ES30 range is in a monster. The moneymaker bot is on the sidelines, but the drone is in on our ES30 range. The ES8U scalper, the leapfrog, is up 797. Wow, it's in a beautiful trade too. That's leveraging a Unirenko bar. Wow, look at all this action. The market just opened. Okay, let's get in the game here. Enough talking. Ooh, RJ is in big time. So I'm going to find the power play drone, make it my leader account, lock her up, and turn her on. Let's see if we get a break of support. My 20U is headed straight down. Need a break of this support here. I'm getting a lot of lag. All right, let's see if it comes under control. My lagometer is at 10 seconds of lag. If that doesn't subside very quickly, my next move is to flatten all my positions. Now we're going to do a training today. I'm going to put a link in. If you want to join us today, at 12 noon, we're going to go over the triggers. Last week we went over trade management. Today at 12 noon, we're going to go over the triggers. Nice trade, Ken. Good morning, Carol. Okay, my lag is coming down. Let's hold our horses here for just a moment. I learned yesterday that ES30 range is a really good option when this is going on. Let's try the MES. I need to add, reset this account for the one-day pass. Nice, Ken. Great job. I'm looking for a break of support. Break of support. Watch the break. My lag went up right at the same time. Ah, come on down, lag. Look at that. My lag came up, and it's going to prevent me from getting the break. Ah, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Look at that trade. It would have been a monster. The lag is hurting me. Oh. Okay. I'm going to have to flatten everything. It's running away from me. Well, I was all over that break of that support. I just couldn't get in because of lag. That's why this lagometer is so important to have. If I was trading manually and I got into the trade, we have a safety feature on these bots. Oh man, look at this move we missed. Ah, man, almighty. Yours did the same thing, Gerald? This thing would have been a monster. Ah, yay. 10,000 contracts a minute. Lag is completely out of control. It is working on the E-mini. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Star Drone and enable my E-mini contracts. It's coming down. That's right. Shape data. It's coming down. Come on down. Come on down. Did just what it did yesterday, didn't it? At the open? Exactly what it did yesterday. Watch the break of support again. Watch the break. Oh, we got into the E-mini. Trying to get into the NASDAQ short. Come on, power play. Jump in. I'm back at 3 or 4 seconds. I did get in the ES. Let me see where my ES chart is. On the star. This is the trade on the E-mini that we're in. Hey, Willie. Good morning. Yes, you can. Come on, push through support. Push through support. Come on, leapfrog. No follow through. Come on, let's get a break of support here. Let's get a break of support. Come on. One more leg down. One more leg down. Take off. Come on, let's go. Get in that leapfrog. I'm getting lag. I'm getting lag. No. Shoot. The lag just came up and got me. The NASDAQ is the issue. I'm at 22 seconds of lag on the NASDAQ. There is a mini strategy. Yes. Big volume. Come on down. Come on down. Okay, power play just jumped in. Let's see if we can get a short. Come on. Give me some follow through on the NASDAQ. Come on down. Ah, a lot of whipsaw. Too much whipsaw. Come on, let's get another break of support. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. I thought I was copying that trade. Not. I turned off my power play. There's just too much whipsaw on the NASDAQ right now. I'm just trying to get capitalize on the trade on the SE Mini. Let's see where our leaderboard is at. Still getting about 3 seconds of lag, 2 seconds. Power play just jumped back in. It's kind of a little herky-jerky right now, kind of like yesterday. After the big move down yesterday, it did very much the same type of price action. Come on down. Breakthrough support. ES Moneymakers on top of the board. ES 8U Leapfrog. All ES strategies 1, 2, and 3. Haymaker. RJ. 20 Unorenko Sniper. The MES Moneymaker drone. Ah, look at this pullback. Come on, take a short roll. Come on down. Come on down. Keep coming. Come down, right down to support. This thing's going to reverse. Nice, Gerald. On the counter trend. Nice one. I'm about to get, I tell you, I think I'm going to close this E-mini trade. I got a feeling this market's going to bounce now. What a crying shame. Wow. Starting to set up for a long. I've never gotten my lag under control on these micros on the NASDAQ. Come on down. Come right down to support. None of my NASDAQ bots are in. Every position I'm in is an E-mini. I should have taken profits when I had them on the E-mini. Don't know how to get these. Let me. Got an email from one of our members that was telling me, he said, when the micros was giving him an issue with lag. And I thought, he told me he's running like 70 strategies. And I dismissed it thinking, well, it's probably because he's running 70 strategies. But now I'm wondering now, is running the micros using a ton of resources for some reason? I noticed the volume goes up to 10,000 contracts a minute, where the minis never does that. Placing trades on the master account. I'm not sure, Tony. I would have to tell you to check with their support on their website. Yeah, agreed. I got wicked out on my E-mini trade. You might want to check with their support, Tony. I'm not sure. Placing trades on the master account, blah, blah. If you want to, if you're not a member of ours, that's in Discord, because I'm going to put the registration link in Discord. Look at micro gold. Look at the volume on gold. It's unbelievable. Gold has got 1,300 contracts a minute. Power play's getting eaten alive. This 150 range. MES on the moneymaker. Let's try the moneymaker. Okay, it's finally back in a trade. Let's see what happens with this one. We're slowly retracing from the big move down this morning. So what I was saying was at 12 noon today, we're going to go over the triggers. It's not a sales webinar. This is more of a training class. Knowing the triggers can be very helpful, so you can anticipate when a trade is going to enter. Let's see what the NASDAQ 20U looks like. Oh, wow, it went right through. It went right through the 50. That Mack truck caught it. Yep. If you'd like to join us in our training webinar today, please send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. Support@rightlinetrading.com. Let me put it in the chat. Oh, I just got that message. What did it say? I didn't see it. These type of messages, Tony? That has to do with lag. Oh, this Tim, hold on just a second. Trying to get this lag under control. Frustrating. Yeah, I don't really have, I just have the one strategy for the NASDAQ enabled. Let's see where we are on, oh yeah. So it's set up. This lag is just out of control today. I don't know what to tell you. Let's see if it's doing the same thing on the NASDAQ. Is anybody else having an issue with their lag on the NASDAQ? No, the NQ is fine. It's just the MNQ. I think it's just the sheer volume. Huh. Saying to hit the on button at the top of the copier. Yeah, if you go to their website, Tony, there's a chat there, and they usually answer pretty quickly. Not sure why you're getting that message. The only way out of this really is to trade the minis. The micros just aren't cooperating with me today, so I'm going to enable the minis. Let's try to find a different avenue. Tempted to restart the whole computer. To restart Ninja anyway. Give me just a moment here. Let me try to restart. I'm trading the micros on my trade copier. And some of my strategies are running in the minis. I'm trading the minis and the micros. On my trade copier, I'm copying the micros. Unable to connect to the internet. How is that possible? All right, let's try to get these back enabled here. Let's see what happens. My trade copier has gone completely haywire now. It's not working at all. Hmm. Yeah, I'm having a problem with the copier as well, Tony. Now I've got my lag under control and I can't get my copier to work. The banana peels are out today. Oh man, I got one banana peel after another. You know, you're trying to fumble with the thing to get it running, and out of the corner of your eye, you see the market moving, and you want to make some money. It's crazy. Okay, come on, copier, come back to life. Look at this thing. This is what it's telling me. It's unable to connect to the internet. I've got a real problem on mine too, Tony. Don't feel bad. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, wow, I feel better, Mark. All my strat, yeah, everything disappeared on mine too. Yes. My copier looks like this now, Mark. Um, Now I can't move it. Oh man. Well, it's better to laugh than cry. What can I tell you? It's just one of those days. Imagine you're in a live, you're in a trade. It must be, Tony. It's not just you. It's doing weird things for a few of us now. I'm watching the market shoot up, and I'm trying to get the thing to work. I'm probably going to start sweating bullets here in a minute. Look at that. Oh, man. Well, listen, the good news is coming up right behind me is Mr. David Wise. I'm going to put a link in our Discord for today's training. It's going to be in GoToWebinar because I want to record it. And if you're listening to this stream and you want to join the training, just send an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. Support@rightlinetrading.com. I'll put it in the chat. Joel said there's a website outage for AI. Okay. Good to know. I was doing good until I restarted. Okay. Having a rough week on my personal accounts. I don't know if this is going to work out today for me. Thanks, Willie. Oh, okay. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate that. Um, Let me put where to send the email. This isn't my day. I'm not going to fight against a riptide here. I'm going to kind of end it a little bit early today and lick my wounds. If you'd like to join us at 12 noon today for a training and you're not in Discord, send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. We're going to do a training on the triggers. We have 4 triggers that our automated bots take, and we're going to do a review of those today at 12 noon Eastern. Yeah, please don't put any information, any personal information in this chat. Please send us an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. There's all kinds of crazy characters on the internet. I want to thank everybody for joining me. If you would, please, even though this has been a disastrous day, if you would, like my video. It only gets better from here. And as soon as I end the live stream, I'm going to put the link in our Discord for today's 12 noon training. And if you're not in Discord, send an email to support@rightlinetrading.com, and we'll get you registered for today's training at 12 noon. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day. Please don't forget to like my video on the way out. Let me try to get this situated. And we will, God willing, return tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. It is the 13th, as Willie pointed out. And we certainly found some banana peels today, that's for sure. So have a great day, everyone. So long.